anak? O ano yung missing word?
Parang yung missing direct.
Isa pa.
Ulit. Oh, baby, hindi ko kasi alam yung tonong to eh. Oh, baby, you will take away everything, blank in my life. Okay? But we are looking for the...
How do I live without you?
Alright, so Karina gets the point. Mali ako kanina. Ito pala yung Lian Rhymes. Si Nat King Cole at si Celine Dion ang kumanta nung isa kanina. Sorry, na-mix up ko. Ito pala si Lian Rhymes. Okay. Alright, so the score is now 5.5 versus 7.5. Wow! Lumalapit ang laban. Let's go, Andy and Karina!
Go, Karina!
Pictogram ay pakulutan ng utak. Let's go!
In
Sandbox.
Sandals.
Sandbox.
Sandbox.
Sandals. Sands.
Karina! Karina gets it! Wow! Humahabol, guys!
Start-up watcher. Start-up. Sa K-drama. Sandbox, di ba? Sila din.
Sandali ah. Kanina. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Ano to? May nawali?
May no.
Okay. Here we go. Ano nawali?
The belly button.
Ay, galing. The belly button.
Ang galing! Napansin mo pa yon?
Oo nga, galing.
Talaga.
Hands down.
Okay, so, ilan na si Andy? 8.5. Alrighty. Ang galing naman.
Nice one.
Oo, nice one. Eto, handa awit uli. Siyempre, ewan ko kay Kizzy kung bago-bago to. Okay, here we go. Nung nakita kita sa tagpuan ni Blank, may kinang sa mata. Okay, we are looking for the...
Tagtapuan.
Karina gets it! Okay, ang gagaling naman ng mga contestants natin. Ano ba yan? Ay, my God. Ano na scores? 7.5 and 8.5. Okay. We are... Eto na. Kulutan ng utak tayo.
Ayan.
Here we go.
Somewhere over the
rainbow.
rainbow.
Somewhere over the rainbow.
Parang ulit direct. Parang sabay.
Oo,
na sabay
parang
ka.
ulit. Kasi, ang totoo... Oo, parang
I think
ulit.
Because, I don't know.
Ang totoo, parang nauna si Anding matapos. Okay? Dahil mabagal siya, huling rainbow siya. Pero parang sabay kayo nagsimula. Okay, double check ko ha.
Okay,
Meron naman kami anak recording.
May rewind. Okay,
Oo,
go.
sobrang sabay. My God.
Delix to, Delix.
Guys, rest muna tayo, ha? Medyo matensyon eh.
Over the
Oo. Habang po nire-rewind.
Ay, grabe. Direct ka. May
Ha?
tech team ka talaga, direct. Tech team.
Ah, yes,
Prepared
yes.
na prepared si Dre.
Prepared.
Oo, mahirap na.
Somewhere over the rainbow.
Naririnig nyo yun.
Ay, ulit direct.
Oo, kayo yun eh.
Ganun pala.
Go.
Yung
Pangat ang boses ko.
Somewhere over the rainbow.
Somewhere over the rainbow.
Si Andy.
Somewhere
Ulit, isa pa. Gusto nyo bang makita? Paano? Wait lang. Tingnan nyo yung bukaw ng bibig na lang, ah.
Knocks.
May ganun pala.
Yeah.
Somewhere over the rainbow.
Somewhere over the rainbow. Somewhere over the rainbow. Kulang direct.
Somewhere over the rainbow.
Somewhere over the rainbow.
Andy.
Andy. Totoo.
Yes.
Yes! Congrats!
That was
Oo naman.
very, very close. So, Andy has 9.5. But Karina has 7.5. May 0.5 na lang tayong hinahanap. Katens.
Bye!
Okay. Ito, sana hindi... Okay. Ito ay... Ito na guys. Clincher na to, ha? Ay, may nawalay. Let's go, TJ. Patalasan ng mato.
Labo na mata ko direct.
Up. Ready na kayo? Uy, nateten sila. Ano ang nawalay?
The logo. The Trump,
Yun
the
knife,
Trump
nandyan.
logo.
Yun hat, yun...
The blue.
The butas ng tenga. Ay, hindi ba?
0.5 points.
The butas ng tenga. WE, yung flag, yung butas ng hair.
Walang nakakuha.
Butas ng tenga. Gusto mo yun?
Ano ang nawala,
Gusto mo yun,
TJ? Eto ang nawala.
Ay, the bote! Kung ano pa yung malaki.
Oh, that was a big one to miss. Ako din, hindi ko napansin.
Hindi ko napansin. Wow.
We were too much in the details. Yung palang right
Saka yung butas ng tenga.
Sorry naman.
True naman. Wala kasi siyang butas sa tenga.
Oo nga. Bakit kaya ganun?
Hindi, sa kaanak nung minsan talaga, tenga lang yung nawala. Maliit na tenga. Kaya okay naman yan. Dito na naman tayo, guys, sa handa awit. So, alam nyo na, luma bibigay ko. Good luck sa inyo, ha? Here we go. I call you and you call me. It's funny how we get on so blank. Okay. We are looking for the
Easy. Easy.
Funny we get along.
Love.
So funny.
So
happy,
So fast.
So jolly. Masaya.
So in love. So happy, so bright.
0.5 na
So
lang to,
fast.
ha?
Happy, funny,
So
and
in
jolly.
love. In love.
Sayang ka rin. Almost. But it's not 2 syllables. Easy ang sabi mo. The word we're looking for is easily.
Easily. 0.5
It's
direct
funny
point.
how we get on so easily.
Ay, oo nga. Sayang, di ko na
Napapulutan ng utak, mahirap nang ibibigay ni TJ sa inyo. Tingnan ko, pag iisipin niya talaga kayo, kasi pag, alam nyo naman, when Andy gets this, whether 0.5 or 1 point, we have a winner. If not, super in the game pa din talaga si Karina. So, are you ready, TJ? Okay, here we... Are you ready? Go!
Living room.
Live
in
there.
room.
Zoom,
Live in
room
room.
live, nasa...
Live in room.
Live room.
Room inside. Like room inside.
Living inside the room.
Live inside the room.
Live
Small
room.
living
Live room. Live.
Living room. Isn't it living room? Live in room.
Sandali. Cut. Hold. Sa sobrang...
Bakit may tipid ng puso?
I will ask you both for one final answer. Give me one final answer.
Living room.
Living room direct.
Live, spell.
Living room. Living room as in sala direct po.
As in Sara. Paano yan? Pareho din. Aba yan. Yeah, that's...
Oh.
I-playback natin. Yes, the correct answer is living room. Meaning the sala. Tama naman. Kaya lang kanina, sobrang nagpatong-patong. Ipipreview lang po sino ang totoong nauna sa living
Si
room.
Andy direct. Sa living
Si Andy, sa living room.
Both we can replay if you want direct.
Either way kasi panalo na si So, tanggap mo naman, anak.
Okay naman direct. Opo.
Na si Andy ang nakuha.
We can
Yes,
replay
direct.
naman.
Go
If
lang,
you
go
want.
lang.
No, I would rather
Si Andy
trust.
talaga.
I would rather trust Rina kasi inamin naman niya. And what a display of sportsmanship. Thank you, Karina. We have a winner!
Thank you, direct!
Good job, Karina!
Thank you, Karina. I admire you with that. Guys, clap naman. Let's go show them some love.
Good job.
Nice. Galing. Ganda ng mga laro mo direct ngayon. Grabe. Sobrang nakaka-tense ko.
Close fight pa rin.
Oo nga, no?
Ang bilis mo, Karina.
Nawala. Ay, game na ba? Guys, shower nyo na yan. Love na. Patapos na tayo. Yes, thank you. Tapos na yung game, nagtali na si Direk. Tapusin na natin itong live na to. Tapusin na natin. Masyadong intense. Thank you, Banet.
Thank you, everyone.
And I am back. Thank you. Thank you
po.
si Vanet. Alrighty, sayawan na natin sila.
Yan.
Bago tayo mag-consequence. Let's go. Mag-isip ka na ng consequence, Andy.
Sige. Meron na po.
na, tumayo na si Kare. Let's go!
Nauna pa ako kay Direk.
I don't know this. I don't know this.
Whip! Gusto ko yun Andy Guys,
Hindi ko pa alam.
nagsastrat na. At si Karina, may pakita na ng kanyang anes. Anong tawag
Yeah.
doon? Oo, ang kasi sexy naman ng mga batang ito. Please sing. Naku, depende po yan kay Andrea, ha? So, Andrea,
Ay, Direk, si Andrea, may award yan. Uy, congrats.
Thank you. Oh,
ano?
ano po? Most impressive teen actress po.
Woohoo!
Thank you po.
Congratulations!
Thank you.
Saya!
Thank you po.
Good job, good job.
Thank you,
Congratulations.
Karina. Thank you.
Yung totoo, gusto lang namin magpasapol talaga. Pinatter lang namin ng konti. Char, hindi naman. Congrats talaga.
Thank you, Karina.
Okay, so anak, meron ka bang naisip ng consequence kay Karina?
Direk, gusto mo kanina. Char.
Hey, Roseanne!
Ano na lang? Para madali. Do you have shades and a cap?
Meron. Siyempre.
Ayan.
Sige.
Ayun, tapos we'll sing Stupid Love together.
Okay. Yan lang
Tapos
pala, Direk.
ipopost mo sa story mo, Karina.
Sige. Go lang. Go
Thank you,
lang.
Roseanne! Yay! Thank you! Guys, yung mga gustong sumuporta sa campaign ko, yan lang pong OMG Party and Game. Sasayawan ko yan, Roseanne. Wait lang. Consequence lang tayo.
Yun.
Yan, game, Direk. Game na
Gusto
ako.
ko yan.
Ooh! Wala na
Tatayuan
naman
natin
ako.
yan, Direk.
Wow!
Wait lang, I'll play Stupid Love. Sandali lang.
Yan nyo guys, may DJ pa ako.
Oo nga no? Grabe naman. All around.
Pairing. Bluetooth connected.
Wait lang,
Hey,
Direk,
what the-
parang kulang ng props, Direk. Saglit na.
Sige. Kompletuhin natin yan. Wala nga akong shades
Ayan, game.
Pati cup ko, naiwan dun sa unang office. Tagapalakpak na lang ako. Ay anak, di ka naririnig, bebe.
Ay, Andy, wala ka ng audio. Mami. Minami.
Ay, thank you, my Carjon. Salamat sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa aking campaign. Makalanding lang ako guys sa top 20. I'm so happy. Thank you. Adoptive mom.
Nawala na siya.
Hindi, nagpe-prepare lang siguro. Ay, Tita Carol, thank you. Hiroshi, salamat. Rad, thank you.
Hello.
Yay, salamat.
Hello? Rinig po ba ako?
Yay!
Okay.
Kobe lovers, thank you.
Hello.
Kippy Jeans, thank you. Hiroshi, thank you.
So, Karina, screen record mo, then you can just post it in your story later.
Go lang.
Ready?
Yan. Ready,
Andre,
ready,
thank you. Epi, thank you. Okay. Mananahimik muna ako dito, guys. Tagapanood lang ako ngayon.
You can dance with us direct if you want. Ayun. With the floral. Okay. Go, Karina. Go! Galing!
Isa pang chorus, isang pang chorus.
Sige, sige.
Meron yan.
Gusto ko yan.
Bye. Mapasin ang mga gabi niya. Direk, sorry. Ito lang kaya ko, Direk eh.
Ang galing!
Oh my gosh. Kawawa naman yung pera ko. Bibenta lang.
Grabe!
Ang galing naman ni Karina. Ang
Wala
yaman
nang
na.
makakatalo dun kay Karina. Yung...
Yan.
Ang galing!
Oo, wala naman kayong appreciation doon. Hello, hello. Clap, clap,
Ang
clap
galing!
naman tayo.
Grabe! Galing ng...
Okay.
Good job, Karina.
Eksakto 9:38, konting-konti na lang. Halika na, sayawan na natin sila. Guys, huling
Yan
bagsakan na po. Let's do this bago natin pakawalan ang ating naggagandahang guest. Thank you, El Ray. Alright, let's go!
Let's go guys! Shower na yan!
Ayan. So we have completed our top 4. We have si Andy ang kumompleto ng top 4.
Yes!
We have Kiara, Mika, Alyssa, and Andrea. Ay, Genevieve! Thank you! Sayang! Sana po yung 100 gifts na lang. Thank you!
100!
Tita Carol!
Go drop,
Oh
guys!
my God! Thank you, Tita Carol! Rose Ann, salamat! Dahil dyan, bibigyan namin kayo ng skiri! Wait lang, anak! Skiri tayo! Let's go! Alam to ni Andy.
Hindi ko to. Ay, hindi pa pala.
Ang papayat ng dalawang si Sexy ay Tita Mats. Thank you and Jeremiah. Ay, thank you, Rosan. Isa pa. Gusto nyo ba ng skiri talaga? Ito skiri, oh.
Parang lalaban ako dyan, Direk. Lalaban ako dyan, Direk.
Skiri, eh. Lalaban ka ba? Okay, let's go!
Parang mahaba din yung panlaban ko dyan, Direk.
Tama na rin ako. Nakakaingit naman. Oh my gosh, direct dream roll ko to!
Everybody, let's do the skiri! Drop those skiris!
que besarme, lejos of
May pa-last pose si Direk.
Wala pala akong mic. Sasabihin ko sana, may final pose yun after ng ganyan. Bakit ako lang kulot? Sila straight yung hair.
Yung utok po namin yung nakulot kanina, Direk.
Ay. Oh, guys. Everybody, I would like to invite you. Tomorrow po, it will be viewers versus viewers. Pero syempre, may final match. It will be me against a guest. Yung guest ko, hindi bagets, pero super guwapo.
Wow!
Mr. Ian Veneracion!
Galing!
So maglalaban po si Ian Veneracion and myself tomorrow, parang ganito. Pero yung
Go,
games natin no semifinals, anak. Hindi ito. Ayokong ma-repeat to eh. So, babalik kami sa semifinals and then the viewers can participate. So, yung mga mahilig mag-coach dyan, ngayon kayo sumali. Ayan. That is me and Mr. Ian Veneracion. We call it the Survival Series and that will start tomorrow. Woo! Anong oras ba? 8 p.m. Oo. 8
Good luck,
p.m.
Direk.
Okay. Yay! So again, congratulations, Andy!
Thank you po. Congrats din po, Karina. Good job, Karina.
Siyempre kay Karek. Yes, good job. You both
such a
did well
great
and thank you
job.
very much. Ang ang smart niyo pareho. Ang dami doon, hindi ko nga alam. Tinalo lang ng medyo age, no? Kasi yung iba kong kanta, pang edad ko. Sisihin niyo si Ate Kizzy, siya gumagawa. But thank you everyone for joining us tonight. And thank you. So we have completed the 4. Bukas po, tama, hindi, bukas, after kasi tomorrow, meron na tayong sa Wednesday, Reese and Aljon and Charlie. Si Aljon and Charlie ang Wednesday natin. Tapos matatapos ko na yung pairing. Okay? Tapos so, Andrea, you will know.
Gosh!
Could it be Alisa, Nika, or Kiara? Alright! Pero may wildcard pa tayo, so don't worry. Who knows, correct? We'll see you again. I love you, everybody. Go, Andy and Karina. Go thank them, please.
Ayun, thank you sa lahat ng nanood ngayong gabi. Thank you so much, Direk. Thank you sa ating thank you, syempre, of course, sa lahat ng gumagawa nitong verses. And sa mga supporters ko, thank you. And ayun, magandang gabi sa ating lahat. Matulog tayo ng mahihimbing. Ayan, napasalam tayo. So, good vibes lang. Thank you so much. Love you all.
Yes. I also want to say thank you, Maming salamat po, Direk, for having me again. Thank you, Karina. It was so fun having this with you. Sobrang galing mo. Grabe. You did an amazing job. Ang talino mo, be. Good job. So, congrats also to you. Thank you, Ren, sa Diandi Fam ko, sa mga supporters ko for being with us tonight. Thank you also sa supporters ni Karina for being with us tonight as well. So, I hope you guys have a great night and sana makatulog, like what Karina said, sana makatulog kayo ng mahimbing and I hope tomorrow is an amazing day for all of you. I love you, Direk. Love you, Karina. Love you guys.
And sabi mo, sana makatulog nila after things ko. Talagang ba? Sabi nila, good night mga sadako. But anyway, thank you again.
Panalo, Direk.
Ano, bebe?
Moon pala, no?
Ang tawag dito, thank you, Team Karina, Team Carjon, Team Andrea, Team Kodrea, lahat ng nagmamahal sa dalawang to at nagmamahal na rin sa akin. Thank you very much for joining us tonight. We have another one on Wednesday and join me tomorrow. Sali kayo naman ang kasali. So thank you so much sa lahat na nag-drop ng gifts at sumuporta sa campaign ko. Thank you guys. This is not goodbye. Magre-relive ba ako? Hindi na. So si Karina lang po at si Andrea, ako po itutuloy ko na to papuntang campaign hanggang sa dulo.
Go,
Thank you,
Direk.
Andy. Congratulations. And Karina,
Thank
I
you.
love you. Love you, bebes. And thank you.
Direk.
Yung gustong magstay, you are very welcome.